Alright, I'm going to replace a tyre. Alright, let's have a bit of a look. So we can see this one, this is just what happens after time. Rubber just kind of goes hard or whatever and starts cracking as they drive. That, or they've clip bits on the track when the track's split, or they drive over bolts and stuff like that. Just eventually happens. So I keep the track clean. Anyway, so we are going to do our swap on this one. We'll get our new one. We get them done at Elastomers, I think the mob's called, in Redcliffe, Clontarf or something. We just take the dead ones in with the metal. They'll strip them, clean them all up, put the new ones. These are like plastic, I think, but solid as. Oh, it's not even in frame, is it? We get these ones from Elastomers. When the old ones die, we sort of just take them down to Clontarf, Redcliffe. I think this is plastic, it's not rubber, but it grips just as well. It's solid, and God, it's a nice job. So yeah, let's do a change. So fairly sure they're 10 mils. Where's I really don't want to come past there, do it? Is that the back? Alright. Sorry. That better? Now, there's always a whole bunch of schmoo and mainly the brush leftovers, graphite or whatever it is. And because there's holes here, I mean, I guess, I don't know if it'll hurt it, but I always try and just do it this with the, I always try and do it with the bolt on the ground, just so all the crap doesn't fall inside of the motor, you know. Now, hyper important here, because once again, because there's a hole there, you don't want it falling in, none of it. So you got your nut, you got your washer and your lock nut. Just because if it gets in there, that's like the commutator bar with like 4 brushes rolling around it. Not a good time. Oh, come on, buddy. Flat blade probably wouldn't go straight. Alright. Easy. Easy. Shit, that was missing one, eh? Yeah, man. Tell you what, I take my hat off to you guys that do this and put it up on YouTube regularly and that. How the fuck do you do it without getting in the fucking way of the camera? This is annoying as shit. Working fucking left-handed. Fucking half blind. Not the good type of fucking blind either. Speaking of which. Yeah. So clearly, with the bolts this side, it's going to drop like this. Easy. 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 I think she's just going to pop. This is how you lose your fingers, lose your fingers, lose your fingers. And then it should just you know what, it's fucked, right? And pop. Right. Boost. Oh, I gotta be fucking careful there, because I think that's all cast iron. I'm pretty sure it's fucking flimsy. Anyway, that's the one that's gonna go and get fucking fixed. Plasticerized. Upgraded, Robocopped, man. Just give that a quick vacuum, dust, maybe a bit of a wipe with some stuff, because that looks fucking rusty. Jesus fucking Christ, you don't look too fucking good in here. Can you see that? Is that better? It looks a bit fucking dirty. But anyway, the same as, you know, just wipe it and vac it first and you get it. Alright. And then, once she's all cleaned up, I'm going to put the new one on. New one's got like a lip on one side, and that lip falls onto that lip there. Alright, every time you do this, you've got to be super careful if that part's still on, because we're about to put like all the weight of the motor onto there, which could be like fucking bad. I'm gonna swap that. Anyway. Easy. Easy. Yeah, careful there too, because there's a fucking bear and that'll like not be a good time. So, line the holes up. Probably wouldn't hurt to give that a bit of a wipe too, eh? Oh, don't fucking go in on the wrong angle. Oh, fingers. Yep, shouldn't have to hit it that hard. Easy. Just like that. You don't want to force it on. I've done that before. If you force it on wrong, it just fucking... Yeah. Nah, it should just pop on. If it's not popping on, take it off, give her a polish, put it back on, rinse and repeat until you get it right. Because you don't want to go hurting this. As I say, I mean, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's like cast iron. Which means, like, you know, she's tough as guts until it's just super brittle. Anyway. Fairly sure these go up, don't they? No, they drop down. Same as these, don't force them. You might have to like go and swap sides and stuff. But I mean, you know, you can give them a slight bit of persuasion, just don't send them, because you'll end up screwing the thread or bending it wrong or something like that. I think that's what happened with the last bolt. I found this, that was a spare. I've kind of just, I don't know if you can see that. I've kind of just like taken the top off, just to help. Other side off, just to help. Yeah. Yeah. You know what? I might just go and do that. Nah, fuck it. I probably should, but You know what, maybe I will. Maybe I just will. Yep. Alright. We've shaved them. Hopefully they'll just slide in. Hopefully I've got the angle right. I just use it on I'll just stone them. On a stone grinder, you know. Mate, look at this. You think they just do that from the factory, oh? Anyway. That's the way to do it. Now, am I going to hurt this going sideways? Surely not. Maybe I'll just bung them on, though. Let's just bung them on. Once again, doing everything in our power not to fucking drop bolts. A thrilling angle for you. You can really see what's going on, Just gonna finger tight opposite ones, and then I'll flip it over. Washer, lock nut. Well, sorry, washer, fucking spring washer. Is that what it's called? Don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it. Right. Alright, two of them are in. Now we should be able to do that without hurting. Alright, so we've got those in. I'm going to finish off the rest. Tighten him up. I'm going to have to... Come on, don't do me like that. I'm going to have to replace this bit. I'm pretty sure it's in the drawer. Can always just pull it off the one that we're about to use. When I say this bit, it's the bolt that the screw attaches to send power from the foot pedal. Fucking hell. Oops. Come on, buddy, work with me here. Shit. I think she's burnt. I really hope this isn't making a new thread. Please go soft. Hey. It's alright, it's alright. I do worry that someone's fucking funky, eh? This is probably the spare one that I've got. It's probably why it was a spare one. That's right. Past the bent bit. So I'm assuming it's bent on the very tip of the bolt because I just would have belted the crap out of it with a normal hammer. Since I have got a little tappy tap hammer and a dolly, if you need to, just you know, find your right angle, and that way you can hit it like properly as opposed to hitting it on the side and bending it. It's always handy having the right size spanner too. Not having to use those fucking Imperium ones. Now how tight do we do these? I don't know. I should just do them all so they're kind of like fingery tight, you know. Then you make them so they're like a couple of finger tight. And then you just fucking give them another good one, just to be sure. And you gotta be careful with bolts, because like, oh, I don't know, I might be talking out of my ass here, but I know one of them, so I'm pretty sure it's stainless. Tough as fuck, until they're not. They just fucking bend. You'll be sitting there like tightening up, fucking. And it's like, yeah, tighter, 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 and then it'll get looser, 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 soft, soft, soft. And what you've done is you've like, stretched it out, you know. We don't want to do that. But having said that, we don't want the fucker vibrating loose. It does have the snap washers in it, or the, whatever you want to call them, the lock washer things. So as long as they bottom out, I guess. I'm sure there's a torque spec or something like that, you know. Anyway. So let's replace that while we're here. Once again, you can always pull parts off another one, but I'm fairly sure I spotted one floating around in here the other day. Fucking thought I did. Yeah. I haven't said that. I say that. I don't like the finish on that. That looks a bit fucked. So I think I'm gonna get the flap disc, the grinder, because that's just what I'm fucking good with. I'm sure there's a better way to do it, but you know, I'll fucking do it on an angle or something because I'm fucking useless. Alright, so that took way longer than it should have. there's still a few, I don't know if they're cavitations or it's just like poor material or something, but and it is like fucking a bee's dick taller on one side than the other, and one of the sides than the other. I'm just hoping there's enough weeble wobble in this thing where the brush sits for it to not be an issue. But anyway, it is a squillion times better than what it was before. The next question is, are these fucking screws still here? I do not think so. There's one of the big brushes for reference. And that's what goes into the top that the steering wheel arm or whatever you want to call it turns on. But same thing, top of that brush is just rubbing on a one of those bolts. Quality design, but they're cheap. Cheap. Fucking spion. Oh, I'm gonna have to go steal them off the other one. Alright. So we can see oh, this one's still got it on there. That just kind of pops onto the side bit. That's what holds it all in place, just a big ass bearing. Yeah, and we on the other side. So this one actually looks like super smooth. You can see there's an uneven wear pattern. It just goes to show, eh? And see where it's like not shiny, where it is. The shiny bits is where it's getting contact. Yeah, I'm not fucking good enough to mill that. Anyway, obviously being careful with the screws, we don't go stripping the fuck out of the tops. Yeah, because I don't have spare ones. Oh. That's what I do when they're stuck. I mean, you got to push down real hard. I put a pressure on it and just hold that pressure on it, and then almost like a rattle gun. Like, don't go crank and twist it. You just like tick, 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 so to speak. So the whole point of that was to get the screws, wasn't it? I can stay there. Let's not break that, because they're super brittle. Graphite, I'm pretty sure, or carbon or something like that. Same. Alright, so the graphite part of the brush, that's what's going to make contact. Hopefully. Wonder if I could just like, it's going to clog up too much though, and I'll probably end up just putting it on an angle, let's be real. Sandpaper is what I was thinking. The other side is going to just slide in. Boing, boing, boing. Happy days. Lining up our hose, hold it on there because it is like kind of spring loaded. I'm just tightening it back up. Fucking gloves, man. Brother. Might have to get me big buff head in the way again, sorry. Look at it holds. Oh, that one took. Huh. Well, I was going. Not gonna lie, I was getting a little bit annoyed then. These fucking gloves. Can't grab fucking shit when they fucking flap over at the top. I know I'm getting pissed off because I'm starting to sweat because I've got the shits. You always do that. Start fucking sweating when things don't work properly. I do anyway. And then everything really starts going to shit. You start fucking getting angry and fucking sending fucking things. Too hard. Yeah. Roofs are the worst. Because you're already like sweating your ass off in a roof. And when the fucking hole won't drill through the fucking timber or something. Slipping and sliding. Bang your head on the fucking... Good times. And once again, how tight do we do these? Well, I don't know. I'm right-handed and I'm doing them tight with my left hand. Oh no! Oh, sucks to be me next time. Nothing's grinding, that's good. Okay, so this has to go into the Dodgem. And it's not even going to be going. All that was just to put it in temporarily. Good eye.